Hi, welcome to this STAIR Tailored. We're focused on comparing fractions with like denominators using the area model. I'm Sarah Powell from the University of Texas at Austin. Now, the area model of fractions means that we can take any area, maybe a rectangular area or a triangular area, and if that area can be divided into equal parts, we can use it to show a fraction. And we can also use this area model to compare fractions. So we're going to compare these two fractions here, 3/5 and 4/5. And I'm going to use one of the pretty simple representations of the area model, the fraction circles, to show you how we can compare these fractions with like denominators using these concrete models. So let's think. We've got our fractions 3/5 and 4/5. So here I've written my fractions down there. Now remember, the area model is any area that can be divided into equal parts. So here I'm going to show 3/5 by taking 3 1/5 pieces. There we go. And then here I'm going to show 4/5 by showing 4 1/5 pieces. And notice how I place those pieces on top of the whole to show how much of the area is consumed by the fraction. So here I have 3/5 and 4/5. Now to compare these, I can see that the whole is covered by less of 3/5 and it's covered by more of 4/5. So 3/5 is less than, I'll go ahead and write my sign in here, is less than 4/5. Now if you wanted to double check this for sure, you could take your 4/5 and then I could take my 3 1/5 pieces and you can actually place them on top. It's kind of hard to do this when they're the same color, and I'm sure it's a little bit confusing for you there at home. But I can see that the 3/5 pieces take up this part of the whole, and then if I have 4/5, there's that much more of the area, so 4/5 is greater than 3/5. And I'm going to go ahead and move my 3 1/5 pieces back here so I can show the original representation of 3/5 is less than 4/5. So that was an example with the area model of fractions where we were comparing fractions with like denominators. Tune into another STAIR Tailored where we look at how to compare with unlike denominators.